Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you the basic features of this software. For example, how to upload files, how to share them, how to access them from remote and everything. So after you have installed your AmberIX app that you can find here, myamberlife.com/apps. If you scroll down, here you will find mobile apps and also desktop app. In my case, I have Windows, so I have installed this version. You can click here and just download the setup and it's gonna work normally. So after you install it, this should be the interface. Actually, for use it, you have to create an account on Ember Cloud. After creating an account, you will find your Ember devices here on my Ember. So now I'm gonna show you how to upload a file. Here I have two folders, but probably the first time you will not see them. In order to do that, you have to go to latticenode.local, connect to your Ember device. After the login, you can go to File Explorer. Here you will find the same folders I have, which are Home and Application, as you can see. And you have to click this button, Export Home. In this way, you can upload the folders for AmberIX. So it's a little bit confusing. I didn't know how to do it the first time. So you click export, and then once you have exported your folder, you can see it from your application AmberIX. Usually the applications folder is used for Pro Tools. So if you install, for example, Plex, the Plex folder will be inside of it. So in this case, I want to show you how to add some files, like personal files. I suggest you to use Home, because Home is your private folder for your user. So how can I add some photos, for example? Now I have created a folder named like this. You can both add files like this and search it on your computer, and you can pick them up from the file explorer like this, drag and drop, and then it will start to upload them to your Ember device. Up here, top right, you can see the task and the progress of your upload. Now it's pretty fast because I'm connected to the Ember network. Okay, now they are done. One thing that you should be aware of is that if you want to see a raw photo, you cannot, at least in the preview. So for example, this .arw, it's the raw format for Sony cameras, and you cannot see it from here as a preview. But the next photo is a normal JPG, and as you can see, you can view the photo normally. Up here you can cast your image. This means that you can connect. This is used for showing your photos or video into an external display, for example a TV or a wireless monitor. Also you can rotate the photo and make a slideshow. This way the photos are gonna be shown one by one automatically without clicking anything. So what if I want to see the photos from the outside or on my phone, for example? First of all, you need to install the app on your mobile device, and if you have exported the folder here, you can see the photos everywhere using the app. Another cool feature about AmberIX is that you can see every photo you have uploaded here in My Photos, regardless the folder they are in. Here you can organize your photos. As you can see, there is also the date when the picture were taken, and if you want, you can create an album. You can rename it however you want, and you can select specific photos. In this way, you can organize your photos very easily. You can, if you want, put every photo in the same folder and then organize it. The next feature is people and things. This is a really cool feature because using an AI running locally on your AmberX or AmberPRO, you can detect different people or objects. As you can see here, it says architecture. In fact, my photos contain some buildings, but if you want to enable this feature, you have to first go to Lattice node and connect to your Ember device. Go to control panel, indexing service, and photo and video. If you scroll down, you will see AI photo organization. Here you have to enable this feature, and as you can see, you can enable face recognition and also things detection. In case you in the future you will not want to get your photos indexed, whenever you want you can uninstall it and your Ember device will stop recognize your things. The last feature I would like to share is outgoing shares. Let's say you want to share these photos with your friend or with your family. You can go to the file you would like to share. In my case, I want to share the whole folder. You can click share and share with email or link. I'm gonna do with link because share with email is used for sharing with other Ember Cloud users. In my case, I would like to create a link. And here, as you can see, you can generate a public link. So if you will send this link to someone, they will be able to see your photos. But let's say I've shared a lot of photos and videos, but I don't remember which one I didn't or which one I did. Here on outgoing share, you will see every link and folder and files you have shared. So in case you will change your mind and maybe you would like to delete the link so the people you have shared with they will not be able to see the photos anymore, you can click on your link and click remove share link. Be aware of that this is different compared to unshare, because if I click unshare, I will unshare the whole folder to anyone that have access to it. For example, you can create multiple links for the same folder and maybe you can send one to one specific person and the other to another. You can use this. As you can see here, it says that this item will no longer be able to be accessed by the people it was shared with. So if you want to do that, you can click confirm or just remove the share link. So it's everything for this quick tutorial video. These are the most common features you will use to Ember IX. I hope it will be helpful for you, and if you have any questions or problem, leave a comment down on this video, and as always I will share every link I've used in the description. Bye!